Throughout history, magicians have been performing amazing tricks for our entertainment. As time went on, the tricks got better and better. They continued to push the boundaries, combining danger with illusion, resulting with more and more ridiculous feats being performed to this very day. But everyone knows it's all smoke and mirrors, right? Well, this is not always the case. Magicians have stretched the limits right to the edge, where sometimes the danger is very real. I think we should take a look at 10 of the most dangerous tricks that have been performed throughout history. Some of these are illusion, and some are just plain crazy. We all loved magic as kids. The way that magicians could make the impossible possible, right in front of our eyes. Of course, as we got older, we realized that magic didn't exist and there must be some form of trickery involved. But it didn't mean we could explain what we were seeing. For the first time, we are revealing how magicians performed some of these famous tricks. If you thought you knew everything, you might want to think again. Time to get our ones out. Underwater chain escape. Combining physical strength and tricky fake locks makes this magic happen. The assistants need to loosen the latches and hinges, and the magician needs to get rid of the locks, gain a firm grip, and come up for air. A huge truck disappears. How to make a huge truck disappear when it's surrounded by the audience on all sides? Easy. All you need to do is drape a special construction over the truck. Create a fake audience with your friends, and ask somebody to drive the truck out of the construction. When you take the drapes off, the truck is not there anymore. Now you understand why this trick may be seen only on TV. Hair drop trick. One of the most famous magic tricks is now revealed. There is a hidden triangular construction in the illusionist's coat, which is made of a hanger and 2 wooden sticks. When the illusionist drops his head, it's actually the hanger that holds the koa. Zigzag lady magic. The magician divides his assistant into thirds, but in the end, they emerge completely whole and unharmed. Trick. As the assistant enters the bottom box, they stand on top of a concealed spring-operated hatch. As the illusionist shuts all of the box's openings, the girl slips down through the hatch and sits cross-legged inside the platform's inner compartment. When the illusionist opens the boxes, the audience sees a mixed-up version of the assistant's torso, which is, of course, mannequin parts. The magic sword. This trick, performed by James Moore on Britain's Got Talent, has a simple explanation. The magician has a special construction underneath his clothes. When he falls on the sharp sword, its tip hides and he balances. On his chest is a mechanism that pushes a fake sword out. This all makes it look like the magician has been impaled on the sword. Levitating man. Anyone who has walked around tourist spots in London or New York has definitely seen a variety of this somewhere. As you walk down the street, you're hit by this man who is seemingly floating right in front of you. How is he sitting there so comfortably? In reality, the man is sitting on a complicated network of connected support systems. As we can see, someone has drawn what appears to be the network he uses to sit in midair. Everything is connected and the man is simply resting on a seat which is connected to a pole through his sleeve. It gives the impression of levitation when actually he's just sitting on a chair. Talk about smoke and mirrors, indeed. Have you seen this before? Run over by a truck. It's entirely based on the laws of physics. A real truck runs over the unprotected magician but doesn't harm him. The key to the successful trick is a set of counterweights on the far side of the truck, not visible to the audience. The weights shift the balance of the truck, allowing the wheels on the lighter side to roll over the top of the magician. Don't forget to share with your babes.
Standing there, killing time. Can't commit to anything but a crime. Leaders on vacation.